Hi, this is Keith from keithpurkiss.com, and once again I'm back in the WordPress dashboard and I'm going to go over the flexibility theme settings again. Let's wait for it to come up. What I'm going to do is, to make this clearer, I'm going to jump down to the bottom. Just got a bit of a delay here. There we are, and there's an option here to reset your flexibility themes. So I'm going to reset it and then just go through them all again. Just wait for that to come up. So if I go, it still hasn't quite got there yet. So if I go to the actual blog display and refresh that, you can see it's gone back to the default. Now it's in red and it's got all the advertisements at the top and the bottom. So let's go back in here, and I'm going to work my way through the whole lot of these, which is going to take a little while, but it's going to make it easier for anybody to follow. Now there's some options here that you don't really have to change, but I found on my own blog it was better if I made it a little bit wider. So the total blog width I'm going to set at 960. The post content I'm leaving the same. Now you've got two sidebars. If I just go over here, I'll show you those. There, these two here. And they come default as 190 and 130. Now I'm going to make both of those 180. Just so that everything looks the same size when you put little advertisements in or whatever you choose. I'll just show you my own blog here. As you can see, I've got all these little advertisements the same size just to make it a bit neater. I am going to improve the rest of it as well, just to make it all the same. So that's the reason why I did that. And I've also obviously made it a bit wider just so I can fit a bit more in. And let's go down a bit further. Now the blog background colour is, well, you can't see very much on this window because it's quite small. It's just that bit there. Let's just go onto my blog. There again, it's just this little stripy bit down the side, so I haven't actually changed that at all. Diagonal lines, again that's the default setting. These two settings as well, I didn't change those at all. You can if you want. And then we come to the blog header settings. As you can see, this one it's set to red. Now I don't want that. I've actually written down the code of the color I want, so I'm just going to type this in. But normally you'd probably use the color selector there. It's just I want an exact one and I know what it is. I think I better save the changes there and see if that little square there changes color. Just wait for that to come back. Work my way down here. And there it is, that's the blue colour that I want. So I'm just going to go in, refresh that, and just see a couple of small changes I've done. I've changed that to blue, and I've made the blog a bit wider. You can't see it all that well on here, but those two columns are now the same. So that's it for the first part of this customized video, and I'll see you in the next video.